Hi everyone, this is Jade from Sweet Softies, and today I'm really excited to share with you my yarn review for the Lion Brand Mako cotton yarn. They come in adorable little balls of yarn like this, and I know you can't feel this yarn through the screen, of course, but I have to tell you it is the softest cotton yarn I've ever worked with, and it just feels like I'm holding a dream right now. So super soft, definitely great for making into clothing that you will have on your skin. I absolutely love all the colors that it comes with. I'll share with you the different colors in a little bit. But just to start off with some basics, this Mako cotton yarn is a medium weight 4 yarn. It comes in these cute 50-gram balls, and that's 125 yards per ball. It consists mostly of Mako cotton, 94%, and the other 6% is nylon. This yarn is made in Chainette Construction. I know you can't see it quite well through my dinky camera here, but this chainette basically allows air to pass through the yarn, so it's very lightweight, breathable, and I would say ideal for making summer or spring tops, shawls, scarves, things like that. And this is also, because of how soft and because it's made of cotton as well, it's perfect for kid and baby projects too. Another thing I want to mention about the Mako cotton yarn is that it's very durable and strong. The fiber is also, due to it being cotton, it's not super elastic or stretchy either. So if you're looking to have some, make it into clothing that's not going to overstretch or, turn into some wonky shape after you're wearing it for a while, then definitely check out this Mako cotton yarn. What I have made with it is a cold shoulder top. This one right here. This is called, this is one of my own designs, and it's a free pattern on my blog. I'll add the description in the link. I just mixed that up. I will add the link in the description box below, excuse me. And as you can see, the Mako cotton yarn really provides great stitch definition, so you can see the stitches very clearly. If you're using some sort of, if you're crocheting with making shells or elaborate stitches, this yarn would show it off really beautifully. But even if you're doing simple stitches like you see up here in this section, it's all just double crochets, but it still looks very beautiful with this yarn. So I highly recommend, again, Mako cotton yarn for things that you're going to, wear or just use, on your skin, like blankets or things like that. It's perfect for that. So there's that. And for the price, I feel that I'm the kind of person who has a pretty low budget person. So I usually work with acrylic yarns, and I decided to splurge a little by upping my game and trying out some nice cottons. And to be honest, Lion Brand's Mako cotton yarn isn't even that pricey for this quality. So I absolutely love it for the price, and when it's on sale, it's a steal. So definitely, if you're looking to make some clothing, check this out. You will not be disappointed. So and here's a quick run through of the different colors. There's royal blue, red, pink, orange, yellow, mint, white, light gray, and black. And I hope you will check this out. Thank you for watching. Bye now.